YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, this reading is going to be your predictions for the month of February 2021. We have, as usual, 3 piles in front of us. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Take your time, dear friends, and select the pile you're most drawn to. You can also check the timestamps in the comment box if you wish to choose with numbers. So I'm hoping you must have made your selections by now. So I'm keeping pile number 2 aside. Pile number 3 also I'm keeping it aside for now. So this is pile number 1. We are going to see the predictions for all of the month of February 2021, for all the weeks also. Your first card as the overall energy is that of the 7 of Cups, dear friends. Overall energy of the month of 2021 February. The second card is the 3 of Swords in reverse. Bouquet, compliments from an admirer. Wow. Jug, light-hearted, carefree time. Wonderful. Box, you will receive gift. Wow. So right away I'm going to tell you, dear friends, I'm very happy whoever has chosen pile number 1. Pile number 1, this is an absolute healing of your heart chakra in the month of February 2021. You have been taking healing from our channel or any other channels, or from a healer or somebody, or it is also possible that you are a healer, you are giving yourself healing, but your heart chakra is going to heal completely. All the swords that were put into your heart through people and situations which betrayed you, which caused you heartache, that all is going to get into reverse now. These words are going to come out and you are going to absolutely feel healed in the month of February 2021. Very beautiful energy around you. And also I want to say that if you were stuck on a person in a love relationship who was hurting you, or might be you had a betrayal or a breakup, now there are many options going to come to you, and you are being called to look at all of these options with a practical viewpoint. And I feel that you are eventually going to choose one of a very bright option for yourself. Even if there was a scenario, so this is for a love and relationship scenario, an absolute healing is coming on your heart. For career, business and professional scenario also, if you were heartbroken, if you were not finding a job, any option of profession or business for yourself, you in the month of February there are going to be many options coming towards you, and you're going to absolutely heal your state of scarcity. Also, I see healing of the heart chakra. If any of you were actually having health problems related to their heart, this month, either a healer, a spiritual healer, a pranic healer, Reiki healer, somebody can heal you in your heart, or it is possible that you had gone through some kind of a surgery, and with your medicines and other precautions, you are now healing your heart. In spirituality, I can tell you that my spiritual friends are who are giving healings as pranic healers, as Reiki healers, or are yoga teachers, or any other card readers, or anyone else, the spiritual realm. You are healing your own heart chakra as well. You're healing the emotions of the people you are connected with, who are coming as clients. It's a very, very beautiful month for you. You are going to feel very satisfied and blissful. This is a month of manifestation of your soulful desire, I can say that. So here again, I'm going to read these cards. It says compliments from an admirer. So many of you are going to get compliments from the admirers. You will receive a gift. Some of you are going to receive a gift. Light-hearted and carefree time is going to be very light-hearted, carefree time and energy, because your heart chakra is healed now. So you are going to be open to other options for yourself. Beautiful energy. So moving on to the first week of February, the week that is commencing from the 1st of February moving into 7th of February 2021. Your two cards for the first week are that of the Chariot along with that of the Ace of Cups. Very, very beautiful energy, dear friends. Very beautiful energy just as we start the first week. You are absolutely in control of your life. You are moving forward in your life with balance. And I see an offer of soulful joy coming towards you. Now in a love, if you are looking for love, this can be an offer of love coming to you from a Cancer, Piscean or a Scorpion person, which is giving you a soulful joy. If you are looking for a job, career prospects or business profession, I see an offer, a new offer coming towards you, and this offer of job or business or profession can involve some kind of traveling, also might be movement from one place to another. And here we have a card which says August. So it is possible that in August 2020 something happened, a person came into your life, and now that person is coming for again for a reconciliation or something like that. Or if you had given an interview or you were looking for some business proposal in August 2020, there was some kind of a situation regarding this which will manifest now. And for some other people, a marriage, because there is a card of marriage as well here, marriage, and there are beautiful cards, dear friends. So the month of August is evident. So either it is the proposal that you are going to receive from this person for your career or your love relationship or any perspective, it's going to manifest in August 2021 into marriage or into a committed business profession. Okay, so August month they have given us either August 2020 was evident or August 2021 is going to be the time when you are going to exchange rings and you are going to get married to this person who is coming towards you with an offer of love, which is very, very beautiful. So right away in the first week of February 2021, I see you very balanced. You've decided finally to move on from the people who were hurting you or the situations who were hurting you. You are victorious. You are moving forward with balance. And for some other people in this first week, I see somebody traveling towards you either from another state or a country, or you traveling to another state or a country. Okay, this can be regarding a marriage issue. Then there is another card which says you will be receiving or giving a precious gift. This is very beautiful, dear friends, because there's a card over here which says you will receive a gift, and another card, diamond ring, it seems to be something which says that you will be receiving a precious gift. So it is possible that a commitment of a marriage occurs for many of my friends in the first week. It's like, I can say might be moving towards Valentine's. This energy can be moving towards 14th of February also as a Valentine's week. Beautiful energy. So something is coming towards you in the first week of February itself, which is healing your heart, and you are feeling very balanced. Your health is very good, your heart chakra is healed, all your chakras are balanced, you are victorious. There can be an award coming to some of my friends also. Beautiful energies in the first week of February itself. So moving on to the second week, dear friends, very beautiful energies again, dear friends. We have the cards of the Six of Rods and the Nine of Pentacles. Moving on to the second week of February. Beautiful, dear friends, beautiful. In the second week of February, I see you victorious, gaining name, fame and recognition. As well, I see you taking care of your looks a lot, spending a lot on your looks. Might be changing your hairstyle, might be purchasing some clothes for yourself. You're feeling very independent, you're feeling very abundant, you're feeling very famous, very people are looking up to you. In the second week, some kind of a reward or award is coming to you. It is also possible that some kind in this week, like the week that is commencing from 7th till the 14th, manifestation of marriage also occurs for some of my friends. Like, if not literally, it's like a very good proposal from somebody for settlement on Valentine days is coming towards them. Very beautiful energy, dear friends. And they say time to go out and have fun. Yes, definitely in this week you should be enjoying. It's a Valentine week, and they say chair filled, someone new is entering your life. Beautiful, dear friends. So everyone who chose pile number 1, definitely for many of my friends, this is a group of people who are going to get Valentine proposals for marriage settlements. And for other friends who are looking for career job advancements, there is some kind of a reward, some kind of an opportunity which is coming towards you. In the second week, I feel that some of you are going to start your own profession, your own business. And if you were already doing something of your own, in the second week you are going to gain name, fame and recognition. If you had your Facebook pages or Instagram pages or YouTube channels, you're going to attract many more subscribers, people, likes towards you. You are going to become very much more famous. Someone new is definitely entering your life in the second week. In the first week, I see them coming. In the second week, they are entering your life. There can be commitments. Time to go out and have fun. Beautiful. So, dear friends, it's a wonderful healing period for you. Health is perfect in the second week. You are feeling absolutely brilliant. You're giving a lot of self-love. You're taking care of your looks. You're looking charismatic. You're looking very beautiful, handsome, attractive. Wonderful. It's a wonderful time. And for my spiritual people, it is time of gaining good health, of gaining good reputation. Whatever work you're doing, you're going to be recognized in that field. Moving on to the third week of February, dear friends, we have the card of the 8 of Pentacles along with the card of the 5 of Pentacles. So in the third week of February, dear friends, the week that commences from the 14th until the 21st, 23rd of February. Yeah, I'll keep the cards here. I see you working very hard, dear friends, in a love relationship or whatever new partner has come. I see that you are working very hard on yourself to now overcome the scarcity, the lack that you felt in other relationships, your past relationships with your exes, whatever lack you felt. You are really working hard to make your best to cope up with this kind of scenario, and so that these kind of situations don't occur in your new relationships. That is what I'm feeling. For some of my other friends, I see that in this week, if you are in your work, profession and business, I see you working very hard, creating lot of financial abundance for you, trying to overcome the losses that occurred for you in the past. And so you are doing a lot of hard work, and you are completely dedicated, so that whatever situations happened in past because of which you lost your business, your profession or your work, those situations don't occur again in your life. Then for some of my friends, I feel that there can be a situation in the family, either their parents or somebody in the family is not well, so or some family member or friend is not well, and you are working very hard to bring them back to their normal health. And for my spiritual friends also, I see them working very hard on their clients to bring them back towards good health and abundant mindset. So here we have a card which says pay attention to your health. Yes, dear friends, so in this week I feel either it is possible that you have been working so hard, and in doing so you might be neglecting your health. So your guidance message says pay attention to your health. And another card over here says disappointment in a friend or a lover. So I feel that you are working very hard to overcome the situations in the past which caused you disappointments with your friends or lovers, and in doing this hard work, giving a lot of attention to your relationships or your work scenario, you are neglecting your health also. So dear friends, you need to give yourself love first, and then only you will be able to nurture your relationship with other people around. It is also possible that in this week there is a certain situation that you start to feel some kind of a lack in the relationship that was building on, but you are working very hard to sort out these problems. You don't want to end the new relationship, and you want to work hard and improve all the situations that caused you loss in past. So now, dear friends, we are moving on to the fourth week, the week that is commencing from 21st of February into the end of February, and the cards that we have are 5 of cups in reverse and 10 of rods in reverse. So dear friends, these two cards in reverse, I see them very, very positive, dear friends. I call them very positive cards because I see you releasing a lot of negative energy. I see that the situations that you were remorsing over in past, you're coming out of those lack mentality, lack situations. You in your body, mind and soul, you're gaining health, you're gaining balance and health. You are out of your depressive period where you were feeling drained in your heart, soul and your mind, and in the fourth week you will totally feel that sun is shining on you. New creative ideas, new ventures and fresh new starts are going to happen in the fourth week. Complete healing of your heart chakra is going to happen. Then they say do not be tempted to lower your standards. So this is a guidance for your fourth week. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Cup, you should accept valid criticism. Okay, so if there is a person in your work area or in your relationship area or even your doctor who is telling you something that is not right about you, then the angels have a suggestion that do not become negative or do not feel sad. You should be able to accept valid criticism. Dear friends, it's a very, very beautiful month for you. A lot of healing is happening for you. Lot of options are open for you, be it in any area of your life that you know better. Now I'm going to see your divine guidance messages from the angels. So your solar plexus chakra is absolutely healed. Your ego center is healed now. You're operating from heart now. You've completely, surrendered your ego. That is beautiful, and miracles are now about to manifest in your life. Beautiful, dear friends. Joyous fun, yes, and this is a month where your inner child is also healed. See this card clearly, dear friends. You will see many children playing over here, celebrating, and this card reminds me of a childhood, of inner child. I feel that some of you were also taking inner child healing from my YouTube channel, and so your inner child is healed, and this month you are going to absolutely have joyous fun. Beautiful time for all of my friends who chose pile number 1. I'm very happy for you. And then they say surrender to the magic of who you are, giving yourself love, giving yourself time. You are beautiful, you are handsome, you are charismatic, you are everything that the God could ever make. So please appreciate yourself, give yourself respect. Another card which says self-respect. Beautiful, dear friends. So I'll read this card, and it says, surrender to the magic of who you are. We all have magic in us. Even in the mundane aspects of life, remember that you are a magical being with a uniqueness and worth that come from just being you. Beautiful, dear friends, just being you. You're absolutely enjoying yourself. Yes, your heart chakra is healed, definitely. So first you are giving yourself love, and then you are ready to share this love with other friends around you. So beautiful, dear friends. Lot of heart healing, lot of sacral chakra healing is happening. Wonderful time. Self-respect, this is sacral chakra healing, and definitely the angels say that you are coming out of the period where your solar plexus chakra was not healed and you were feeling less than anyone else. Give yourself respect. Whatever choices you're making in your life now, keep yourself at a priority. Give yourself love, give yourself respect. If there are people around you who put you down, who make you feel some kind of a lack, leave those people. Move on to people, places and situations which are making you feel abundant in yourself. There are many options available to you, dear friends. Self-respect. Emotional healing, yes, very well resonated. Your emotional healing is complete in the month of February 2021, and you already opened your heart for the beautiful new relations coming towards you, new jobs, new professions, new businesses, new people, new connections, spiritual people, soul families connecting with you. Your heart is healed now. As you heal, as your heart heals of old emotional pain, you receive new business and love. So business and love both are coming towards you. Wow, wonderful, beautiful. Wow. Believe in the impossible, dear friends. What a miraculous month for you, dear friends. Could we have asked for anything else? Miracle over here, surrender to the magic of who you are, joyous fun, self-respect, and believe in the impossible. Believe in the impossible. So this is a month of manifestation for all of my friends. Most of you, of course, healing in the marriage or manifesting marriage for yourself, manifesting jobs. Somebody can be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio who is manifesting a job also for them. Victory, success, name, fame, recognition, hard work is being paid. Beautiful time, lot of healing happening for you. I wish you all the best. Pile number 1, you're the luckiest for February 2021. I feel anybody who chose pile number 1, you are really lucky, and I feel you did a lot of work on yourself. You've done a lot of healing. Might be you did meditations, yoga, or you took healings, or you did healings, or might be you are a healer, or you believe in God. I don't know what you're doing. Might be you're doing good karma. So because of your good doings, good is coming towards you. Enjoy this month thoroughly, dear friends. I feel that this can be one of the best months of year 2021 for you. lots of love to everyone who chose pile number 1. This is pile number 2 and all of our friends who chose pile number 2. Now we are going to see how your month of February is going to be. Complete month of February, dear friends. So your overall energy, dear friends, for the month of February 2021 is that of 6 of Rods with the card of 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Beautiful, dear friends. A combination of these two cards is wonderful. Perched, bird perched, waiting for news package letter. Waiting for a news package and a letter. Mule, someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. So there can be a dealing with a person who is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change in this month. Shield, you need to defend yourself. Okay. So dear friends, the energy for your overall month tells me that you are going to be victorious on a situation that was causing you some kind of a lack in your life. For some people, it can be a lack of finances. If there was a lack of finance, job, career, business or professional opportunity that you were not having for yourself, you are going to be victorious in this month. You are going to get name, fame, recognition. A salary increment is going to come to you. A business opportunity of a good manifestation of finances will come to you. Or you might start some profession of your own which can bring you more money. Okay. Secondly, in a relationship scenario, you are going to be victorious in a scenario of a relationship where the relations had gone wrong, where there was detachment in past. You are going to be the link for a reconciliation in the family relationships. You are going to absolutely heal the family relationships. If there was a situation where a person was having conflicts with their parents or their in-laws or their grandparents, then there is going to be a reconciliation and healing, and you are going to be the person who is going to be victorious, who is going to gain name, fame and recognition in the process of bringing everyone together in the family. Then for some other of my friends, if there was a love situation wherein there was a lack in a relationship, I see you victorious. If in a relationship, in a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, you were away from your partner, I see a reconciliation or a marriage manifestation happening for you now. For a distant relationship or where there was a lack, there was misunderstanding. For the couples who are already married and there was lack in commitment or there was some kind of a lack in understanding in the relationship, or the relationship was such that there was no privacy in the relationship and the relationship was suffering, there is going to be healing in this relationship. You are going to be victorious. You are going to, after a lot of struggles in your relationship, finally you are going to be able to bring peace and harmony back into a relationship. It is possible that in a relationship scenario, there is someone who is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change, but I feel that you will be victorious over them. Then in this month, it is possible that you are waiting on a news for might be a job or some kind of an offer, a gift coming to you, might be waiting for a courier, a letter, a package, which is going to bring you some kind of an upgrade. Might be your results also. For some people, you're going to be have very, very wonderful results also. you need to defend yourself. So in a certain situation, I feel that, you know, where a person is being very stubborn and unwilling, you will be able to defend yourself, but with a tact you will be able to do that. So this is a very beautiful month for you, where you are going to be victorious in all those areas of your life where you felt there was a lack. And if you or somebody around you was suffering lack in their health, had gone through some kind of an accident or a loss or some kind of a scenario in their health, healing is going to occur for them. You're going to be victorious. If you're a spiritual person, you're going to gain a lot of name, fame and recognition. You're going to heal your clients very well. So moving on to the first week of February, the week that commences from the 1st of February moving into 7th of February 2021, your card is that of the 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands, dear friends, tells me that there is going to be fast moving energy in this week. A lot of communication is going to happen in this week. A lot of for my spiritual people, energy healing work is going to take place. Travel is going to happen in this week. Online communications, tests, exams, phone calls are going to happen. And the energy is fast moving. The stagnant energy has started moving right from the beginning of February. So if there was a person who was not communicating with you, who was not moving towards you, communication is going to happen in the first week. So they say secret admirer. Yeah, it is possible that some kind of a communication is happening online, or might be on phone calls, on chatting with a person who is your secret admirer. They are sending you text messages or something, and you are feeling they are boosting your confidence. So in the first week, they also say, arrow, you are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. Beautiful, dear friends. So this is a confirmation coming from the divine right away to you, that you are on the right path, and wherever you are progressing, whatever you are progressing in this week, you're moving forward. And whatever progression is happening in your life, it can be with regard to studies, to your job, some kind of communication is happening with your business perspectives, your profession, with your lovers. Your approach is very much right. Whatever communications you are doing, you are handling the communications very well, very tactfully. Beautiful energy around you. Happiness, dear friends. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful energy, and thoroughly enjoy your first week of February 2021, dear friends. You are on the right path. That's a confirmation coming towards you. So communication is going to happen. So whatever area wherein you were feeling lack, wherein you were not being able to communicate, even if it was with your parents, with your children, with your grandparents or your grandchildren, now this communication is going to start to begin. And the angels are confirming already that yes, you're being admired for your communications. There is happiness around you with your communications. You are on the right path. So moving on to the second week of February 2021, dear friends, your energy vibration is that of 6 of Cups. 6 of Cups in the second week, dear friends. 6 of Cups is the energy vibrations of feeling nostalgic, going back to your past, going back to your brothers, sisters, your childhood memories, or your school can be evident in this week. Or it is possible that your parents are coming to you, or you're visiting your parents' home, your grandparents' home. Your grandparents are more evident. You are enjoying a very pleasurable time during this second week of February, from 7th to 14th of February. Some of you are reconciling with your ex-lovers, ex-partners. Might be during the Valentine's season you are meeting up, or you're doing some kind of communications, or either you are feeling nostalgic about them, about your past lovers. And for some of the people, ancestral homes or something regarding a home or a construction, I can feel for some of my friends, is going to happen in this second week of February. There is a get together with the children, grandchildren, pleasurable energy, sitting together, enjoying with kids. And so we have a card here which says financial gains usually coming from something you did in the past. Yes, something you did in the past is bringing you financial gains. It is possible that you are investing on your ancestral home, or some kind of a construction, or some kind of a money is coming to you from your parents or grandparents. That kind of a financial gain is coming, or might be you are fighting a case of property for ancestral property, you're gaining from there, or might be an offer from some of your friends in past companies, colleagues, or from childhood neighbors. Somebody you knew before is giving you a financial offer. Now this financial offer can be for business or job offer they can give you, or some kind of an investment for a profession. So financial gain usually coming from something you did in past. So you did something good in past. It can also be something you did in your past life. So Six of Cups I also see as a card of past life, connecting with your soul family. So something you did in your past life might be is now bringing you some kind of a financial gain. Then for the second week also, dear friends, they say unicorn, use your intuition to make beneficial changes. So whatever changes you want to make in the second week, you are very well connected to divine. In fact, your ancestors from past life are connecting with you now, and you should listen to your intuition for whatever changes what you want to do with these reconciliations, or whatever property matters or things happening in your life in the second week. Then we have a card which says Tower, solid foundation, success with effort. Beautiful, dear friends. So Tower card again over here tells me that some kind of a foundation you are building, either with your family, with your children, your grandchildren, your if you're a kid, you are building some kind of a foundation, a solid home with your parent, your grandparent, your partners, and extended family is coming together, and you're building up. Basically, you're building relationships, you're building a home. For some people, it's actually building a home wherein all of you are going to stay together, like 4 floors, and in each floor, one of your like parents staying, grandparents staying, you staying with your family, like that kind of a structure you're building up, and you're feeling very nostalgic about everyone being together, your brothers, sisters, your all of family coming together. So some kind of a construction plan also you're having. Very, very beautiful, blissful energy. And for others, I see who are interested in love and relationship, I see that you're building on a relationship from past. Might be people, exes from your past, or people from your school time, or your neighbors. Somebody you knew in your past, in your office, you're building up a relationship with them, or building up some kind of a business is being built up with them. So people from your past or your soul family are connecting at this time. My spiritual people are doing past life healing during the second week. So moving on to the third week of February 2021, dear friends, your overall energy is that of the 8 of Cups. So 8 of Cups as an energy is the energy of moving away from the normal pleasures of life in the search of something else, that can be spirituality, or that can be looking for a higher perspective, looking for something beyond the normal. You are very well connected to your intuition. 8 of Cups to me also tells me, for some of my friends, there is a movement, there is a literal movement. Somebody is moving out of home in the third week of February, the week that is from 14th till 21st. It is possible that somebody is moving out of your home, traveling to another state or a country, or to another home. And so, there is a kind of feeling, some kind of emotional feeling that you're going through, or it might be you yourself are feeling that whatever you were doing in the first 2 weeks, you are looking for something more in the relationships. You are looking more content, more intelligence, more spiritual talks. You want to grow beyond the mundane I love you or that kind of a relationship. Something solid you're looking for in your relationships. Some of my friends who were disappointed in their past jobs or businesses or professions are thinking of moving to another jobs, another countries, another states for job. There is travel also indicated with this card. So in the third week, you are moving towards spirituality. You are spending a lot of time alone. You are doing meditations. You are connecting with divine. So they say something important such as a new job or a raise. Yeah. So in this week, there is an elevation and upgrade happening. This Six of Rods, name, fame, recognition is also coming. So in this week, see, this is a bag full of money. So some kind of a raise is coming towards you. Some kind of a reward is coming towards you, or might be a new job is coming for which you are moving from your past jobs or to new country, new state, or a new company, or a new business, or a new profession. So there is a woman who is very evident here, and they say dealings or relationship with a woman. So there is a woman who is going to be evident in the third week of February for you. So this you will know better how this woman is going to be evident. It can be your mother, your grandmother, your partner. It can be your business partner also. Can be your teacher for somebody. Can be, you know it better, dear friends. A woman is going to be evident. Can be evident in your spiritual growth also, or might be this woman is moving out of your home, something like that, or this woman is giving you an offer of a job or a raise. And then we have firecrackers, excitement. Beautiful, dear friends, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So in the third week, there is going to be some kind of an upgrade, excitement, celebrations, wonderful time in the third week also. So I want to say that everyone who chose pile number 2, you are also equally lucky as pile number 1. When I read the cards for pile number 1, I was saying that you are the luckiest, but I feel you are also very lucky. Pile number 2, you are going to have a lot of emotional healing in the month of February 2021. Now moving on to your last week, we have the card of the Hierophant. Hierophant, dear friends, can indicate one, your grandfather or your grandparents, or somebody who is a spiritual person, a teacher who holds a very, very authoritative position, but not just a position of authority, but also a person who is knowledgeable, wise, and balanced. Then Hierophant, to me, I can say that can talk of the new company also. If you are for the persons who are looking at this spread for their career, Hierophant can talk of big companies through which you can get an offer of joining for business, for job, for professions. And for some of my friends who were looking for love and commitment, the Hierophant can actually talk of a commitment coming in your relationship, as in a marriage or some kind of a blessing coming from the divine. For others, my spiritual friends, this is going to be a very, very spiritual week for you. You are absolutely going to be connected with your soul tribe, your divine guidance. You're going to get divine guidance. You are going to be a teacher. Many of you are going to become spiritual teachers. In the last week, there are going to be people who are going to come to you, ask you for guidance. You are going to be so knowledgeable. You are going to be people are going to look up to you for advice. So in the last week, there is someone is behaving stupidly around you. This is funny. So someone is behaving stupidly around you in the last week, dear friends. But I see that you are the wise person. You are a very wise person. You are very balanced. And so this person who is behaving stupidly around you, might be you are going to give them some kind of wisdom, or might be you're going to ignore them for their stupidity. Then they say, take care, enemies are working against you. So also in this fourth week, there is somebody who is, having some kind of negative motives for you. But I feel that you're very well connected with the divine, and there is somebody around you who is absolutely spiritual, who is a blessing for you, who can help you come out of this situation, or you yourself are a healer. So I feel that these situations can come in the last week, that is from 21st until the end of February, but you are going to deal these situations with a lot of tact. Yes, it's also possible that in your workplace there are some people who are jealous of you, of your growth, of your name, fame, recognition, so they are behaving stupidly in the last week. But overall, it is a very, very beautiful time frame for you, and we have a card of self-worth. Yes, and here we see this is some kind of a elevated kind of a position which you are going to get in your job. Might be you get a raise, a position raise, or else we can see this as a chair for a bride or a bridegroom. So it is possible that some kind of an upgrade is happening for you, and or also possible that might be you're becoming a father, a mother, a grandparent or something. So your sacral chakra is absolutely healed, and you know your self-worth, and you're giving yourself love. Also beautiful time for you, some kind of an upgrade happening for you in the month of February 2021. I congratulate you already for this, dear friends. Sense of humor. So in order to deal with these difficult people who are jealous of you or who are negative in nature, Archangel Michael is telling you that you have a great sense of humor. You're a very intelligent person, so use your sense of humor when you want to give a wise advice to somebody who is very stupid. It is better to communicate with them with a sense of humor, and to have a kind of light hearted energy and still give your message to them. Okay, and then there is a guidance message which says, connect with nature. You are rejuvenated and inspired by spending time outdoors. So dear friends, this is a message for very specific message for some of my friends who are just sitting indoors and not spending time outdoors. So your energy is going to rejuvenate as well, just as you spend your time outdoors and connect with nature, because I feel that divine is going to connect with you when you are going to go out in nature. You are going to see butterflies, you're going to get intuitive messages. And here again, oh my god, we got a message which says surrender to your intuition. Yes, and I was feeling that you are going to be very intuitive in this month, and divine is going to connect with you when you are going to be out in sun, in nature, in gardens, with trees, with birds, with animals. You are going to heal your heart chakra. So surrender to your intuition. They say tune into your inner voice. Be aware of any gut feeling, flashes, knowings, or aha moments that come through to guide you. Yes, beautiful, dear friends. I feel that from the first week itself, this kind of an connection from the divine is going to build up in your body. And for many of you, I can tell you that Kundalini energy has already started awakening in your body. So I feel that you surrender to your intuition. You are being asked completely to listen to your gut feeling, your flashes, your aha moments. Whenever you are in a situation where you feel what to do, what not to do, how to handle this situation, the angels say don't think too much, don't use too much of your brain, don't use too much of your heart. Just go for with your first gut feeling, your first intuition, because that is the guidance message that is coming from divine to you. And also I want to say, dear friends, if you are listening to this reading, this reading is your intuitive messages, the ones that the divine gift wants to give to you right now. So please be open to these messages, and after listening to this reading you will be very clear about certain situations which were vague in your life. New beginning, for some of my friends, I feel that, if there was a lack and they were not able to manifest a childbirth in their life, I feel that, in the second week childbirth is going to manifest in their life. Yes, new beginning, and we see a child over here. So this can be a new beginning with any area of your life, a new relationship, a new beginning as a marriage being fixed also for some, a new job, business, or a profession being started. For some of my other friends, it is a new position that is coming to them. For some of my friends, there is definitely a childbirth in your life, which might be that your that situation is coming again in your life, but you are feeling like you are emotionally feeling like running away from a situation of lack. Now with regard to your relationships, if there is a lack in a certain relationship that you feel, it can be with your partner, it can be with your parents, it can be with your children, it can be with your grandparents, it can be in with your with the people you work. I see there is a lack of understanding, there is a lack of give and take in these relationships, and you want to move away from them. But in the month of, you're trying to run away from these people who are takers, but in the month of February 2021, I see them coming towards you because they are lacking something, either in their health, or they are in need of money, or they are in need of some kind of emotional support. So they are coming towards you, but you are looking for all the options to move away from them and run away from them. So this is your overall energy for, I can say, Mercury retrograde is really heavily working on you and giving you these challenges. And so your energy for the entire month is that you wishing to escape from this kind of a scenario of these people coming back to you who are taking a lot from you and leaving you feeling depleted. These are people who are stealing your energy, like kind of they are feeding on your money, feeding on your energy, and feeding on your taking away power also from you, kind of, but this is a situation, this is a very emotional situation where there is no way out, and you are in the whole all of the month you are looking for some kind of healings. You're doing a lot of meditations to bring peace to yourself, calm yourself. You're taking healings also. So this is a kind of scenario I'm seeing for my people who chose pile number 3. So for a work scenario also, work, job, profession also, I see that there is a lack and you are looking for many options for jobs, and you are just evaluating and re-evaluating your situation, how I can move out of my current job scenario, business scenario, or profession scenario into another options that are there. You're evaluating these options around you. For some of my friends, there is a situation with the health in their family. Either their health is suffering and they need to go under some kind of an operation which they want to avoid, and so they are looking for other options of healings, or there is a situation around them, might be their parents or their kids or somebody in their family, brother, sister, somebody is not well, and there is some kind of a healing that you are looking for them. For my spiritual friends, I see that they are doing a lot of meditation to gain balance in their mind, body and soul, because they are going through a lot of challenges while healing other people also, and while doing their work also. They are having a lot of challenges in their mind, body and soul, so they are taking a lot of healings for themselves. They are doing a lot of meditations, yoga practices, healing practices. Overall, dear friends, I can tell you that the month of February 2021 is a very big testing period for you, and if you come out of this testing period, they say a long journey, either physical or mental. It is possible that these relationships, this scenario was very draining on you from past many years, but month of February is a second chance for you to learn how to deal with such people. Either there will be a healing in the relationship wherein you will understand. See, I'm coughing a lot, which tells me that your throat chakra needs healing. You don't know how to communicate with these people who are takers in your life. And in this month, throat chakra healing is highly recommended to you. Your communication will become very, very important for you, how to tactfully communicate with these people. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end of. So this, whatever situation you are going through in the Mercury retrograde season, now in the month of February, eventually by the last week of February, you are going to become very wise. Or for some of my friends, this can literally mean that one of the options, which is a journey, which is a movement wherein you can move to another country or state or move away from these people, is going to be the end, the final selection that you're going to make. You're going to move away, and this is going to be your physical or mental growth. And for other people, how to deal with this situation is going to lead to a physical and mental growth to you eventually. And your advice is to keep yourself in balance, so you please do a lot of meditation, yoga, walks, deep breathing, so that you in these challenging situations you keep yourself balanced. For some of my friends, it is a scenario wherein they were cheated by some people in past, and now these people who cheated on them, who were deceptive, who stole a lot from them, who took a lot from them, are now coming to reconcile with them. So in these situations, to make a kind of whether to commit to this relationship or not, whether to move further with such kind of people, you have to take the decision only after the Mercury retrograde season is over, that is by 20th of February. After that, you make your final decision whether you want to move in, reconcile with them, or you want to give a closure to this relationship by moving by giving a closure, you keeping your own space and giving them their own space. Then here they say deep personal strength and peace that assure success. So if you're going to keep yourself in balance, if you're going to do your meditations, you are going to do your inner work, then deep personal strength and peace can assure success in this relationship also. If there was a deception, cheating in the relationship before, you are so strong, you can bring healing into this relationship as well. For some people, this relationship is going to heal. For other people, they are going to see other options, they are going to move on to other options. So moving on to the first week, dear friends, first week of February 2021. This is intense. Pile number 3 is intense. They are going through a lot, definitely, and they are releasing a lot also. A lot of emotional release is also going to happen for you. Keep taking healings from our YouTube channel. That is a suggestion for you. So in the first week, your energy is that of 8 of Pentacles and the 10 of Swords reverse. Sighs. Month of September is evident. For some people, something might have started happening in your life in 2020 September. Might be some kind of a cheating or deception happened with you in 2020 September, or might be many years back a month of September was evident for you, or might be the birth of a person is evident in the month of September, something like that. Or might be something that is happening now is going to manifest for you in September 2021. So they wanted to highlight this month for you. Then they say you will be playing a different role. Okay, so in this month February, you are going to play a different role. Egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. Wow. And dear friends, great passion. So with the energy of 8 of Pentacles and 10 of Swords reverse, I can say that you are working very, very hard on something that caused you a lot of pain in your past. So it can be a relationship that absolutely ended, in which you were backstabbed, in which you felt a lot of pain. You are working very hard to heal yourself, to bring yourself out of the pains of that relationship, the pain that relationship caused you in your heart and mind and soul, the relationship which you thought was completely over. You have started working very hard to manifest something in this relationship. So for the relationship scenario, it is like that for some. And for so they say you will be playing a different role. So this time your approach in this relationship is going to be different. You're going to work hard, but you are going to work hard in a different way. Might be years back or months back your approach was different, but this time you are going to have another kind of approach, and you're going to try another kind of approach to heal this relationship. And they say success assured with good plans and hard work. And we have a card of egg also over here, dear friends. So for some of my friends it is possible that you are working very hard, you're going under knife for the manifestation of a child also for this in this a week, first week of February, and great passion. So for my other friends, for the career aspect, I see you working very hard, taking trainings, working very hard on your newly found job or profession or career, whatever you want to do, you're working very hard. So and when you're doing this hard work, you're building success for yourself as well. You're healing yourself from the past kind of scenario where you lost your job, you completely lost your career, your business is something, you're working very hard, you're again trying to build up all the things that you had lost in your past, and you're having great passion in doing so. So dear friends, in your first week, success is assured with good planning and hard work, and you will be playing a different role. And also hat over here signifies some kind of an upgrade. So as you're doing this hard work, you're also feeling that feeling of success is coming towards you, and you're feeling as if you're healing from this situation of deception, of lack kind of a situation. So your health is very good, you're healing in this first week, you're building your relationships, you're building your work. Some of you are manifesting childbirth. So dear friends, moving on to the second week of February. Second week of February, the week that commences from 7th of February 2021 to 14th of February, we see the card, the energies of the Tower, Five of Cups and the Ace of Swords. Very, very intense energies, dear friends, in the second week. The Tower, the Five of Cups and the Ace of Swords. So a combination of these cards tells me that a huge something very shocking, something very dramatic is going to occur in your life in the second week. It can be also a situation where a huge fight happens within a family or within the partners or within a company, some kind of a scenario like that, and there is a lot of shouting, there is a lot of anger, and there is a lot of crying. But eventually this situation is going to bring you a lot of mental clarity, whether it is possible for you to have a reconciliation in this relationship and build this relationship or this structure, this business, this home again, or whether it is better for you to move away to another job, to another relationship, to another home, another environment. So whatever situation is going to occur in the second week, I feel that this situation is being caused. This is a challenge of Mercury retrograde, and you had to go through this challenge in order to bring in clarity from the people who were deceptive to you, who were manipulators in the work area or in the relationship areas, whatever had happened in your past. In order to bring a clarity to that situation, you had to go through this. For many of my friends, I can tell you that in the second week of February 2021, you are going to have a spiritual awakening. A lot of cleansing and releasing is going to happen in your body. If you were taking healings from our YouTube channel, you are going to have pranks of angers, you are going to cry. A lot of energy from your third eye chakra, your heart chakra is going to be released. As a result, you are going to heal your heart and soul, and clarity on certain situations is going to come to you. Lot of healing is going to happen with the release of this energy. So dear friends, this eruption of energies that is going to happen in the second week of February for you is actually good for you. You needed this eruption. For some of my friends, there can actually be a situation of a loss, some kind of a loss, some kind of an accident occurring, or a kind of a death scenario that somebody is remorsing over a loss of a family member, or an accident or something like that is happening in the family, or might be somebody is having an operation, some kind of a health scenario is such. Yes. So they say, Vale, great worry over nothing. So for some of my friends, this all that the worry, the remorsing, the crying, the anger that is happening, they are not realizing this all is happening as a release of the energies that had to happen in their body during as a challenge of Mercury retrograde, or as a release of the healing. So for some of my friends, the angels are already saying that you are having great worry over nothing. This all release is going to bring you a lot of clarity. For some of my friends, there is a dealing or a relationship with an older man. So an older man is going to be evident in the second week. There is going to be a dealing or a relationship with an older man. Okay, can be a situation regarding some kind of a clarity or an anger situation or a crying situation. So they say chain of events that will affect you. Something is going to happen in the second week. A lot of chain of events are going to happen in the second week for you, a major transformative week for you. Then they say fair woman. Now this can be a woman who has a fair complexion, or this can be a woman who has white hair, can be an old woman also, or can be a woman of living in another country. So they say dealing or relationship with a woman with blonde, grey or white hair. So either she can be blonde, or that means from another country might be, or she can be an older woman with grey hair or white hair. So you have some kind of a dealing happening, one with an older man, and there is another woman also over here. Then they say feather, someone you know is undependable and insecure. So it is possible that some kind of a situation happens between wherein you're dealing with this older man or this woman, and these are people who are insecure and undependable, and so there is a shaky situation in a relationship scenario, and a lot of clarity is coming towards you. There's a chain of events that are happening. I feel from the first week they will start to happen the second week, and then you are going to get this clarity. For some of my friends in the Valentine week, it is possible that a relationship ends with their ex-lovers or partner. There is a clarity that comes to them regarding fake friends or fake partners, and so they get a clarity on this scenario. There was a deception happening, there was a third party situation for some of my friends. In a career, business, profession, relation regard, I can say that there is a new opportunity which is coming towards you, of manifestation of a new business, of a new work, of a movement from one state to another state, or country, from one company to another company, and you do not remorse this loss. For some of my friends, it is possible that they are asked to leave their job, but whatever is happening for your good. There is something good that is about to manifest for you as a result of this situation. Moving on to the third week, dear friends. In the third week, dear friends, of February, the third week that begins from third week that begins from 14th of February until the 21st, 23rd of February 2021, dear friends, we see the energies of the Knight of Pentacles in reverse and the energy of the Six of Pentacles. So Knight of Pentacles in reverse in a relationship scenario tells me that you are feeling as if there is no balance in this relationship. Whatever relationship you have with a person, can be with your partner, can be with your parents or children or in office, it is possible that you are feeling that you are the only one who is doing a lot and there is no balance. There is even these people are taking from you financially also, physically also, they are draining you, and so now you are not feeling motivated to continue with this kind of a relationship scenario. So now you have started evaluating. After you get this clarity, you started evaluating that where is a balance in give and take in this relationship, whether you should be giving to these or you should be the only giver in this relationship, or you should also ask for them to give you. So in this third week, you are going to look for a balance. Some of you in a relationship scenario, in a love relationship scenario, are feeling very bored with your partner, and you started looking for other options. You feel that you are not having a physical intimacy with your partner, and so you've started feeling bored. Some of you are feeling financial lack, so you are looking for options. Might be you're looking for bank loans also, or might be you're looking for options to ask for charity money from some people. You are also being advised to do some charity in the third week to bring balance in your energies. You're not feeling balanced in your energies. You're not following your routines also very well now in the third week. So you are being asked to, bring balance in your mind, body, soul, and start again with your meditations. Whatever has happened in the second week has happened now. You have to move on from that, and you have to start to take care of your health now, and you start bringing balance in your mind, body, and soul. And please start with your exercising, Rajan. Please start with your meditations again. So over here they say spiritual guidance, protection from harm. So yes, spirits are by your side now. There is a lot of spiritual guidance. Divine is connecting with you. Then there is a card of love over here. So might be some kind of a healing or some kind of a balance you're looking in your the give and take of love also. In your emotional health also you are looking for some kind of a balance. Then they say bread, a period of prosperity and abundance. Beautiful, dear friends. So if there was a time in the third week, if there was a period when financially you were feeling a lot of lack, in the third week an opportunity of manifestation of prosperity and abundance can come towards you. A divine gift can come towards you from the universe for manifestation of abundance. Then they say rabbit, too much concern with sexual matters. So yes, for some of my friends, I feel that you are having too much concerns with sexual matters and you are feeling bored with your partner because your partner is concerned at this time with their career or businesses. Their focus is something other than love, and so you've started looking for other options and you have too much concerns of sexual matters. You please bring your mind out of this and you start doing some spiritual practices and bring balance in your mind, body and soul. Moving on to the fourth week, dear friends, now we have the energy of the Ace of Cups and the King of Wands. In the fourth week, dear friends, Ace of Cups and the King of Wands. So I'm keeping it here for the fourth week. I feel that again in the fourth week you are going to get an opportunity of work. For most of the people, I feel it can be an opportunity of work or their passion manifesting in the fourth week, the week that commences from 1st of February until the end. Now again you've started feeling very passionate about your life purpose and you are doing a lot. In the 4th week you are absolutely into your work and there is an offer of soulful joy coming towards you, for which you are very much capable of manifesting. You are like a superstar in this 4 week. People are looking up to you. Yes, you're healing, your heart chakra and sacral chakra are healed. Now you're gaining balance in your relationships in the 4th week. There can be a Sagittarius person who is bringing an offer of love towards you in the 4th week. Yes, for my people who were looking for a healing in the love in the 4th week, this Mercury retrograde challenge is going to end, and now you are going to settle down with a relationship with a Sagittarius person or an Aries or a fire sign person. There is going to be healing in this relationship. Yes, we see the card of the good fortune over here in the 4th week, dear friends, and then there is another card which says someone will try to make you do something against your will. So be careful if there is somebody who is trying to make you do something against your will. Might be there is a person who is bringing an offer of love towards you, but this offer is more of passionate and they directly want to get into a physical relationship with you. But you first see if they have a genuine offer of love and commitment towards you, then only you get indulged with them. And even in a work scenario, if somebody is asking favors from you, be careful in the 4th week. Very transformative month for you, dear friends. Let's see what the angels have to say. And so the Archangel Michael says, write about your thoughts and feelings. Yes, dear friends, because I feel in this month some of you are not being able to communicate yourself to these people. So what happens when we don't communicate through our mind and heart, through our throat chakra, then we have blocked emotions in our throat. So what we can do in that case, we can write down a letter, or we can just write down in a notepad our feelings, the complete situation that we are going through, to the divine, and tell the divine that I am going through this situation, these people are behaving like this, I am having these feelings, and please divine help me, guide me. So when we are going to pour your emotions onto the paper, you are going to be guided. This is a very important message for you, because you won't be able to express yourself, and this situation when you are not being able to express yourself clearly can cause a lot of frustration. So in order to release this frustration, you please write down a letter to God and divine. Either you tear that letter off afterwards or burn it, that really doesn't matter, but you can write down your feelings onto a piece of paper and release them. Surrender low self-esteem. Yes, dear friends, if there have been situations in past where you felt some kind of lack, can be with regard to childbirth also, or a lack in a relationship, or somebody made you feel low. So the angels are saying, surrender low self-esteem. You deserve. So they say you deserve success, love and abundance. Very important message for you, dear friends. You deserve success, love and abundance. Set an intention to identify and release any remnants of low self-esteem. This is going to be released from your body in the 2nd week. I feel in the 2nd week you are going to either speak yourself or give clarity to the people and tell everyone around what you are. You are going to surrender low self-esteem. You are going to absolutely tell people that you deserve success, love and abundance, and you are going to set an intention to identify and release any remnant of low self-esteem. You are going to overcome this situation, dear friends. Surrender to divine timing. Yes, dear friends. So in this month, I feel that most of you can feel frustrated also with a certain situation which is like a test to you, and so you please surrender to the divine timing. By the end of month, I feel that the situation can be more easy for you. So they say Sometimes divine timings may differ from your ego's timings. If a goal isn't manifesting fast enough according to your ego, be patient and trust the universal flow. So trust the universal flow, trust the divine timing, dear friends, that things will manifest for you. Yes, it is a yes from the universe for you, but it will manifest in divine timing. Yes, again they say the answers you need are coming. So the answers you need are coming. There is a lot of confusion that you have with regard to these relationships, to work, your spiritual awakenings. These answers are coming to you. You sit for meditations, you get your healing done, you will get answers from divine. Also, you will get answers from these people around you when you will learn how to communicate with them properly. New supportive connections. So dear friends, you will also build new supportive connections in this month with some other people who are going to be supportive to you, not like the other people who were draining. And some of you are going to heal your past relationships and build new supportive connections with other people who were non-supportive in the past, and now you're going to rejuvenate this relationship and build new supportive connections with them. Expansion, dear friends, and the color of the card is blue. I feel that you're going to expand your abilities to express yourself with the more people, more supportive people. You are going to heal your throat chakra, and this healing of throat chakra is going to help you expand, move your communications from your small circle to the world all over. This expansion card can also tell me that you are spiritually expanding. You are also, it's possible that opportunities of manifestation of work come to you in another countries or states. Journey, dear friends, can tell me that yes, there is a journey you are going through already, and this journey is going to lead to a beautiful destination eventually. For some of you, a journey is eventually going to literal journey is going to manifest to you from all of the options that you have for your might be work or movement. And for the others, there is a journey you are going through. A spiritual growth journey is happening for you, dear friends, and this is going to lead to a lot of wisdom and success. And last but not the least, dear friends, towards the end of the month, you are going to realize your wish is granted. What you've asked for is coming true. Your wish is granted, dear friends. Through all the challenges that you are going through, challenges of Saturn, challenges of even Jupiter retrograde, Mercury retrograde, these challenges are coming towards you to make you more wise, to bring you more wisdom, to help you understand how you should be giving love to yourself first. You have been putting many people before you, and so these people were able to steal from you, take from you, but now you are going through a situation which is going to eventually evolve you and make you understand your true worth, your self-worth, and then you will learn to first give respect and love to yourself, and from there you are going to cut the cords from the negative, toxic, narcissist people as well. For some of you, you are going to be so healed that you are going to heal these negative people as well and build in new supportive connections with them. So I wish you all the best, pile number 3. And if the reading resonates with all of my friends on Healing Souls, please do come and give a comment here in the comment box below so that we get more encouragement to do such readings for you. Lots of love to all of my friends on Healing Souls. Wish you all the best for the month of February 2021. Love and light to all. Thank you very much.